All right, guys, this is question number 9 from the final review Algebra 1 Regions packet. It's just a list of random Algebra 1 questions, multiple choice and constructor response. Now, normally when you see something like this on the Algebra 1 exam, it's a system of inequalities. It's usually in the constructor response section, and it's usually worth 4 points. In this case, it's in the multiple choice section, but it's basically the same idea. They've already given us the graph, and what they want to know is which one of these points is actually in the solution set. So now, first thing, where is the solution set? Well, the solution set is where both of the section that has both kind of cross hatches. So it would be this area right here. And you see I put a big Superman S there. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to plot each one of these points, and then we're going to determine which one is in the solution set. So the first one is 1, 1. So that means I go over 1, up 1. So it's going to be right here. All right. And then the second one is 2, a negative 2, which means I go 2 to the right, and then I go down 2, and I'm going to be right here. And then the third one is 1, 8. So that means I go over 1 to the right, and then I go, actually, let's do this. Let's make these different colors so these will pop a little better. So this one is 2, negative 2. All right, and then let's change this to nice lime green, 1, 8. That means I go over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to be up here. And then the last one, let's make that just black. And that's going to be 4, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, it's going to be right here. Now, it's clear to me that the only one that's in the solution set is number 4. Now, here's the problem with number 1 and number 2. They're right on the boundary, right? And the reason that they are not considered in the solution set, and I'm going to say this, dash is trash. And all that means is if a point is on a dashed line, it is never ever in the solution set. So this one here is on this dashed line, so it's not in the solution set. It's right on the boundary, but it's not included in the solution set. The same thing with number 2. This one is also on the dashed line, and even though it's on the boundary, if it's on the dashed line, it's not in solution set. So that's why number 1 and number 2 were not considered solutions, and the only one is 4. Now, I went through more detail than I needed to, but I just wanted you to see, first of all, you need to be able to find the solution set. It's the area that has both. You can see this is going this way, and this one is going this way. So you want the area where it's kind of overlapping. Right? So that's the solution set. And then once you plot the points, a solution has to go in that area, and it cannot be on a dashed line. Let me do one last thing. I know this is probably more than you wanted, but if I had this point right here, that would be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 9. So this point right here is 5, 9. Now this would be in the solution set because it's on the boundary, but it is a solid line. So that means we include it in the solution set. Now, I'm giving you more than the question asked, but if you understand what I just went through, then you're going to be fine for system of equality questions, right? Dash is trash, so any point on a dashed line is never going to be in the solution set. If it's on the solid line of a boundary solution, then it is in the solution. And of course, if it's any of these points here, all of these are solutions. Any point that's in this area. And by the way, just so you guys understand, this is going down forever, and this is going down. So all of this over here going out to infinity, those are solutions. So any point over here, any of these dots, boom, these are all solutions. All right, I hope that makes sense. This is about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. It's much more than you need for the question, but if you understand it, then you're going to be solid for the system of inequalities. All right, I'm going to stop and post.